Hello guys, my name is Roman, this is Dovidas.
I'm Adima.
Today we are taking you to this A320 simulator in BAA Training. We are going to have some visual traffic circuits, and during these visual flights we expect some interesting emergencies, so enjoy.
Okay, before takeoff, checklist below the line, please.
Before takeoff, checklist below the line. Takeoff runway.
25 left, check.
25 left, confirm. Cabin crew.
Advised.
TCAS.
TARA.
Engine mode selector.
Normal.
PAX.
Off.
Before takeoff, checklist completed below the line.
Okay.
Brussels Tower, BAA 320, we are ready for departure. Runway 25 left, right traffic circuit.
BAA 320, wind is 320 degrees at 7 knots, cleared for takeoff runway 25 left, after takeoff right hand traffic circuit for visual approach.
Cleared for takeoff, runway 25 left, after takeoff, right traffic, BAA 320.
Okay, are you ready?
Ready.
Parking brake. Off. Side stick set. %50 set. Takeoff.
Set toga. Read FMI.
Mantova SRS runway auto first. Blue.
Checked. 100 knots. V1, rotate. Positive climb.
Gear up.
Gear up. Nav.
Up.
Lever climb. I will set S speed for you.
Okay.
FMA.
Speed. Alt start.
Checked.
Roll heading 07.
Heading.
Heading.
Checked. Heading 071 set. Pack 1 on.
Activate approach phase.
Pack 2 on. Approach phase activated.
Manage speed.
Speed is managed.
After takeoff, climb checklist, please.
After takeoff, climb checklist. Landing gear.
Up.
Flaps.
1.
Packs.
On.
Barrel reference.
QNH 1010.
QNH 1010. After takeoff, climb checklist completed.
Directors off. Bird on, please.
Flight directors off. Bird on. Track 071 set. Level the wings. Very good.
Chroma set, please.
Starting timing. Let's do approach checklist.
Approach checklist, please.
Approach checklist briefing.
Confirm.
ECAM status.
Checked.
Seatbelts.
On.
Barrel reference.
QNH 1010.
QNH 1010. Minimum.
No minimums.
No minimums. Engine mode selector.
Normal.
Approach checklist completed. 10 seconds to go.
Flaps 2, please.
Speed checked. Flaps 2. Timing.
Landing gear down, please.
Gear down. And I will set track 251 for you.
Gear 51, please. Flaps 3, please.
Speed checked. Flaps 3.
Good.
Descend a little bit.
Request for touch and go.
A320 right downwind runway 25 left for touch and go. After touch and go, Right traffic.
BAA 320, wind is 320 degrees 7 knots, clear touch and go to 5 left, after touch and go right, report base for visual.
Cleared for touch and go to 5 left. After touch and go right traffic will report base BA 320.
Flaps full, please.
Speed checked. Flaps full. Put your hand on the thrust lever.
1,000.
Reduce descent. Good. Too low nose. Mhm.
500.
Stabilize.
Checked.
400.
Clear to land.
Cleared.
300. 200.
Very good.
One 100. 50. 40. 30. 20. Retard. 10. 5.
Good. Seismic neutral.
Neutral.
Toga.
Toga.
Rotate.
Rotate.
FMA.
Cirrus, door on track.
Checked. Positive climb.
Gear up, please.
Gear up.
Hold start.
Checked. Lever climb. I will set it.
Thank you.
Auto thrust.
Speed.
And I will set speed 180. I suggest flaps 1.
Flaps one, please.
Speed checked. Flaps 1.
Full heading 017.
071.
Correction. Yes.
Heading 071 set.
Thank you.
I will
Heading-
activate approach phase.
Thank you. And speed.
Speed is managed.
After takeoff climb checklist, please.
After takeoff climb checklist, landing gear.
Up.
Flaps.
1.
Packs.
On.
Barrel reference.
QNH 1010.
QNH 1010. After takeoff climb checklist completed.
Thank you. Flight directors off, bird on, please.
Flight directors off. Bird on.
Thank you.
Track 071 set.
Thank you.
Altitude.
Approach checklist, please.
Approach checklist. Briefing. Confirmed.
Confirmed.
Ecam status.
Checked.
Seatbelts.
On.
Barrel reference.
QNH 1010.
QNH 1010. Minimum.
No minimums.
No minimums. Engine mode selector.
Normal.
Approach checklist completed.
Chrono start, please.
Too early. I suggest it a bit later.
Okay.
Now I will start.
Okay.
Seconds to go.
Flaps 2, please.
Speed checked. Flaps 2. "45 seconds.
Landing gear down, please.
Gear down. I will set track 251.
Yeah, thank you.
Track 251 set. start to descend. Wheel nose wheel steering fault. Landing gear not down locked.
Okay, my controls communications, ecom actions, please.
Ecom actions, landing gear not down locked, landing gear recycle. Recycle landing gear up. Advice tower.
B320, we're having landing gear faults. We'll report intentions.
BA320, that is cockpit. Would you like to make a low pass or you want to just keep the same altitude?
Keep the same altitude.
We're gonna keep the same altitude, 1,300 feet. Check our landing gear, please. BA320.
BA320, that cockpit. Proceed as requested for another visual approach.
Okay. Recycle didn't help, so landing gear gravity extension. Landing gear hand crank. 1, 2, 3.
1,000.
Don't descend. Gravity extension didn't help. Clear landing gear.
Clear.
Wheels nose wheel steering fault. Clear wheel.
Clear.
Okay, we will stop with status. Just maintain the same altitude. Let's make another visual approach and ask tower to check our landing gear conditions. How it looks from outside.
No, we make us right now, we're still approaching to the tower.
We are a bit high. I would love to make the low pass like 500 feet.
Okay, I'll request.
It's okay, let's stop with ECAM for now.
Okay, let's start for ecom and I'll request the tower.
Okay.
BA320, it appears that we're having right gear malfunction, right landing gear malfunction. Request one more visual approach for a low pass and that you would check our landing gear, please.
BA320, proceed as requested. You are cleared for visual approach with 25 left down to 500 feet AGL. We will look for your landing gears.
Cleared for one more visual approach down to 500 feet AGL. Turning right. BA320.
Great, just maintain 1,700 feet, okay?
Okay, we'll maintain 1,700.
Before status, we need to check, do we have any paper checklists left? Do we have anything in our QRH about these faults? We don't have anything, so I will read status.
Okay, read status.
Status, landing gear, gravity extension. Didn't help. Cat 3 single only. In operative system, Cat 3 dual, nose wheel steering. Remove status?
Remove.
ECAM actions completed.
Okay, pull heading.
You were without flight directors, so I will just set track 071 for you.
Okay.
Downwind track.
Set downwind track, please. Activate approach phase as well and manage speed.
Approach phase is activated. We are on flaps 2 configuration now.
Okay.
And I will set speed up a bit.
Okay.
I will set speed 180
Set
and remove flaps to flaps 1.
Okay, flaps 1.
Okay, I will turn on the flight directors. Heading 071 and alt heading.
Alt heading, yes, check.
For a small briefing, we will do this approach as normal visual approach, but we will fly this in configuration 2,
Okay.
not to be too fast, and we will fly at 500 feet over the ground.
Okay, 500 feet.
For now, just follow flight directors.
BAA 320 tower, please can you tell me how many people on board and how much fuel you have?
BA 320, we have 6 people on board and we have 10,600 kilograms of fuel on board.
That is copied. You are cleared for low pass at any altitude you wish. Emergency services will be on positions for you.
Cleared for low pass, runway 25 left, BA 320.
From us, please.
Okay. We may do this a bit shorter.
Okay,
So I will set flaps 2
flaps 2, please.
and I will manage the speed.
Manage the speed, please. Okay, our landing gear is down already.
Yeah. Turn right. 251. And start to descend. By the directive of Gordon. Just
Thank you.
our altitude for low pass will be 500 feet. This is just for reference.
Okay. Reference.
And you might descend a bit more as we are closer to runway now.
Okay. Runway in sight. Okay, we're gonna use flaps 2, right?
Yeah. Just descend 500 feet and fly over the runway.
Okay.
One thousand.
Check. And 500 feet AGL, it means 700 feet barra. Level of at 700. It's because of altitude, landing gear not down. Level of
500.
yeah, maintain this altitude.
Report to tower, maybe on final.
We are cleared for low pass already.
Okay.
Right, turn right. Yes,
500.
maintain altitude, don't descend.
Five 500.
Tower is right there, on the right.
Yeah, tower inside.
Okay, you might start to climb to 1,700 initially. Brussels Tower, this is BA 320. We are after low pass climbing 1,700 on runway track. Do you have any suspicious or how our right landing gear looks like?
BAA 320, I got reports from supervisor that your right main gear appears to be up. After low pass climb initially 3,000 feet, left heading 120.
Climbing 3,000 feet left heading 120, BA 320. I'll set 120 for you.
Okay, turning and climbing.
Yes. Set toga and then back climb. Toga and then climb. Great.
BA 320 tower, what's your intentions?
Stand by BA 320. Heading 120 is set. And yeah, FMA.
Speed Ulster heading out of first.
Checked. I suggest flaps 1.
Flaps 1, please.
Speed checked. Flaps 1.
Managed speed, please.
Speed is managed.
Okay.
BAA 320, we would like to proceed to Foxtrot Lima Oscar VOR to hold there. We will try to fix the problem and then we will report you back.
BAA 320 maintained, let us proceed to Foxtrot Lima Oscar and hold over.
Proceeding Foxtrot Lima Oscar holding over BAA 320. And let's have flaps up. Flaps zero.
Okay, flaps.
We checked. Flap zero. I will set direct to Flora for you.
Okay, director. Nav
Checked. Follow flight directors. So let's just discuss. We have one landing gear, not safe clip downlocked, and guys on the ground said us that it appears to be up. So it will be landing with abnormal landing gear. We have a QRH procedure for this, and we will just go through this procedure now. I can make approach briefing, and then from Flora we will proceed for ILS approach runway 25 left.
Okay, so maybe initially let's request the tower for holding.
Tower already cleared us for holding, so I will insert holding now. Just wait.
Are you sure it's cleared?
Yes. Okay. Holding is inserted, and I will read the QRH procedure now for landing with abnormal landing gear. Okay.
Okay.
Landing gear. Landing with abnormal landing gear 32.04. Oh, landing with abnormal landing gear. Caution, do not apply this procedure if at least one green triangle is displayed on each landing gear on wheel system display page. Both triangles are red.
Yeah.
Preparation. Cabin crew.
Advised.
We have no cabin crew, we have no passengers as it's training flight. Only 6 people on board. So we just continue. ATC is notified about our problem. Galley. Off. If one main landing gear abnormal, fuel imbalance consider. So we have left landing gear normally extended, so we will open the crossfield valve and switch off left fuel pumps. So both engines are now fed from right pump, right side. We disregarded it as I switched it off.
Okay.
And we will have more fuel on left side on the landing. It will help us to keep the left wing down.
Okay.
Okay, oxygen crew supply off. Signs on. Cabin and cockpit. Cockpit is prepared, cabin is prepared. For approach, GPWS system off. System is off. Landing gear lever, check down. Gravity gear extension hand crank, turn back to normal. And nav GPWS fault. I switched GPWS. So we disregard it. Auto brake, do not arm, emergency exit lights on. Cabin report, no cabin crew, so obtained. Anti-skid and nose-wheel steering off. When braking, remember not to
Exceed 1,000.
not to exceed 1,000. Yes. Anti-skid, nose-wheel steering off. Maximum braking pressure 1000 psi. If one or both main landing gear abnormal, ground spoilers do not arm. We will not arm ground spoilers. Before landing, I will put ram air on and brace for impact. We don't need to order as we have no one behind us.
Maybe let's inform the other students.
Okay. If external light condition is poor at landing, dome light on. It's already on. Flare, touchdown and roll out. Engines should be shut down sufficiently early to ensure fuel is shut off before the nacelles impact. but sufficiently late to ensure adequate hydraulic supplies for the flight controls. So, we will switch engines at touchdown. If one main landing gear abnormal, engine masters off at touchdown. Failure side wing, maintain up.
Okay.
And maintain directional control with rudder. When aircraft is stopped, all engine and APU fire push buttons will be released, and engine and APU agents will be discharged.
Okay.
And if evacuation required, we will evacuate, but we suspect that evacuation will be required. Any questions about landing with abnormal landing gear?
For this time now.
Good. So, this is gonna be ILS approach for runway 25 left in Brussels. Flora is our initial approach fix.
Okay.
From Flora we proceed on course 308 to final approach course.
Okay.
And at distance 8.9 ILS DME we start descent on profile.
Okay. So I advise maybe we shall initiate the approach.
Wait. Our ILS course is set. Turn on the ILS push button.
Okay.
It's 110.35 and runway 25 left. Course 251.
Yep.
Performance data is inserted and I will activate approach phase. And secondary flight plan is a copy of active. And do you have any questions on approach?
For this time now.
Okay, I will request approach. Brussels Tower, BAA 320, we are approaching Flora, we are ready for ILS approach runway 25 left. We couldn't fix the landing gear problem, so we need emergency services on standby.
BAA 320, you from Foxtrot Lima Oscar, you are cleared for ILS approach runway 25 left. Emergency services already in positions. Proceed.
Cleared for ILS approach runway 25 left from Foxtrot Lima Oscar, BAA 320. And we are turning now to final approach course. I suppose approach checklist.
Okay, approach checklist, please.
Briefing.
Confirmed.
ECAM status.
Checked.
In status. Checked.
Checked.
Seatbelts.
On
Pyro reference.
QNH 1010.
QNH 1010. Minimum. We forgot to put this, we will put it now. 320. Minimum.
Minimum 320.
Minimum 320 Pyro. Engine mode selector.
Normal.
Approach checklist completed. We are cleared for approach, so we may push approach push button and turn on both autopilots and read FMA.
Okay, speed, helm,
Glide slope look blue, cat 3 single, autopilot 1+2. So you read only changes.
Okay.
BAA 320 Tower, emergency services are ready and just report when you'll be established.
We'll call BAA 320.
Runway in sight.
Checked. And we are on ILS approach, so I will advise you 100 above.
Okay.
And minimum. At minimum you should say continue or go around flaps.
Okay.
At 100 above, checked.
Okay.
And at 1000, stabilized.
Okay. would you advise to disconnect the autopilot?
When we are established on final descent on glide slope,
Okay.
I will tell you. If I may.
Localizer, sir.
Checked. Suggest flaps 1.
Flaps 1, please.
Speed checked. Flaps 1. Status, no changes. Remove status.
Remove.
If I may.
Localizer.
Lock. Checked. I suggest flaps 2.
Flaps 2, please.
Speed checked. Flaps 2. If I may.
Glide slope start.
Checked. BAA 320 established ILS runway 25 left.
Glide slope.
Checked.
BAA 320, clear to land, 25 left, wind 320 degrees at 7 knots.
Clear to land runway 25 left, BAA 320. Our landing gear is down. Spoilers, we don't arm spoilers. And we are clear to land. Flaps 3. Speed checked. Flaps 3.
Thank you.
We are established on final approach. I will put ram air on as per QRH.
Okay, ram air on.
2,000.
I suggest flaps full.
Flaps full, please.
Speed checked. Flaps full. Cabin pressure system 1 false. Will it regard it? We don't have landing memo, so let's do a landing checklist.
Okay, landing checklist.
Landing checklist, cabin crew,
Advised.
auto thrust,
Set.
speed, auto brake,
Auto brake.
no auto brake,
Not needed.
ECAM memo, we don't have ECAM memo, landing gear,
Purpley down.
passenger signs,
Oh, passenger signs
On. cabin ready, spoilers, we don't arm spoilers, and flaps,
Flaps full.
checked. Landing checklist completed,
1,000.
stabilized.
Check.
Disconnect autopilot.
Disconnected.
Landing gear not down. I will request brace for impact.
Okay.
Brace for impact,
500.
brace for impact.
Four 400.
Clear to land.
Clear to land. If I may.
Land.
Checked.
300.
Good luck.
Thank you.
200. 100. 50. 40. 30. 20. Retard.
Lower, lower.
10.
Flare.
5.
Ground. Attainment. Left, left, left. Left brake. like this. The brakes. My controls.
Your controls.
Attention cruise stations, attention cruise stations. Emergency evacuation checklist, please.
Aircraft parking brake.
Aircraft stop parking brake on.
ATC.
Notified.
Cabin crew.
Notified.
Engine masters.
So, off.
Off.
You do this checklist.
Fire push buttons. Push. Pushed. Agents. No fire.
Discharge.
Discharge.
Discharge. All agents.
No. Pushed. Evacuation required. Initiate.
Evacuation is required. So evacuate, evacuate, evacuate. So we're safe on ground and we're going to evacuate.